You want some food, I believe? Yeah? Hello, Mama. Here you are. Yeah. Today is not so much interesting food. Sorry. Yeah, of course. So nice and calm you have come. Hello, babies. Here you are. Oh, directly in the mud. Yeah. And for you. Hello. PL50. Yeah. Here. I got some on the grass. Yeah. Correctly. I'm done. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. Weather, guys. I agree. Yeah. Let's try to give you the right food, huh? Yeah. Yeah, Mama. Off you. Yeah. Oh yeah, Crow. I know you are back there, you know, and I have meat for you. Yeah. Okay, good. She's not a duck. She's a tough one. Yeah, she is. All my birdies, I love it. Now we are all together. Yeah, it's so great. Hi, darling. Yeah, you want some of this? Oh, it's a lot. Oh yeah, darling. Here. Yeah. And here. I know this is not your favorite food, huh? Yeah, I know. But the duckies are very fond of it. And the daydreamer is by herself. Isn't she great? Oh my gosh. I really want to help this seagull. Oh, it's so hurtful to see them so damaged.